friends, my name is Praveen and I built these dashboards and I want to show you this dashboard which I have made as per the client requirement, and this is based on the sample data, and I tried to make this dashboard as per the requirement. So this is the two pages report I have built, and it contains two pages. The first one is you are seeing the sales cockpit page which shows the major KPIs here, and in the second page I shows the detailed table which is basically we can access it by using a drill through feature. So let's quickly walk through about this dashboard. So first of all, I want to show you the data. This is the sales table I have provided, and this data is very clean data actually. So it contains all the basic key combinations, primary and foreign key here, sales territory key. So based on that, I built this data modeling, and I created one-to-many relationship between the tables. It will optimize my data model as well. So all the with all the possible key combinations, I connected this sales with all the other, and it builds my star schema modeling. So now I talk about the different charts here which I'm using to show the information. The first one, you are seeing the column chart here, and that contains the actually product wise sales amount and GM amount. So GM amount is a calculation. This is not provided, so it's just a difference between two columns, that is sales amount and total cost. And data seeing the data labels you are seeing here, I use the conditional formatting, and for which I have written a DAX function. Basically where the GM percentage is greater than 50%, so GM amount showing is green, right? For in this you can see this is greater than 50%, so it shows green, right? And in the second, I just use a map here to show the territory wise, basically geography wise sales amount, and put sum of sale GM percentage on tooltip. And so it is a auto scaling map, and all the filters are provided above this visual. All are perfectly working, and we can filter this data based on this uh, based on the filters here and this. So now in this table, I have provided a drill down functionality of Power BI. You are seeing here I have put there in rows product, basically product category, subcategory, and further drill downs. There are 3 to 4 drill downs till SKU, and this information, sales amount and quantity, cost, GM amount, percentage, these all are showing here. And you are seeing in column I put price bucket. So price bucket is basically a calculated column, and I calculated this based on the list price. So you are seeing in data view, table view, I just simply created a bucket which is totally a 9 buckets, which contains the list price. Where list price falls in this bucket, I just created this bucket, and this shows the bucket wise. And it also provides the drill down functionality, drill through functionality. If I have to check about this product, why it is not performing very well, or maybe there is some issue, so I can easily analyze using drill through feature. And all the filters you are seeing applied on that page are also come on this page. This is the date and the product and SKU. So you are seeing here the year, quarter, and month wise sales, quantity sales, and all the necessary figures that helps to analyze the sales data here. So this is the overview of this dashboard. So I hope you like this dashboard. Thank you so much.